Hi, I'm Troy Hines.
I'm Elijah Bellman Jr.,
Two dedicated family men, one with 4 sons,
one with 3 daughters,
both operating at a high level of excellence to maintain Windsong Ranch.
Everything
as it pertains to safety, aesthetics, and functionality within the common areas.
no.
No, but when landscaping and irrigation affects the aesthetics, the safety, the functionality of any common area, we are sure to alert the landscape team and discuss plans of action to correct the issue. No, unless you live in the villas and townhomes. You can call the HOA and they'll transfer your call directly to us, or you can send us an email directly.
Email address listed below.
If you do find the need to submit a work order request, please visit us at windsongcommunity.com. Click the community tab at the top, and then on your right-hand side, you will see the option to submit a work order request. Click that and follow the instructions. Call the HOA.
If the LIPO has a co-serve tag, contact them, give them an SL number, and they will get it repaired.
If there are outages in tree up lighting, light outages in the pools, light outages in sport courts, or light outages at the lagoon, follow the steps for creating a work order request and submit it through MaintainX. No, but you can contact your Collin County Animal Services